What up, Geek Squad? Unmineable is a service where you can mine one algorithm and get paid out in a different coin. Well, recently there's some news. As of yesterday, really, they have opened up the Blake 3 algorithm so you can mine that and get paid in something else. Let's check it out. As you can see the news right here, Blake 3 algorithms are now available for mining. Get started now with Blake 3 for Alephium and Ironfish with multi-region endpoints and SSL support. What does that mean for us? Well, we've been mining Flux and getting paid out in Bitcoin over at NiceHash. Looking at things like what to mine and hashrate.no, it looks like it'll be more profitable, as in we'll receive more Satoshis mining Ironfish on Unmineable. That's kind of hard to believe because traditionally NiceHash has paid out better than Unmineable, but right now the yield for Ironfish in Satoshis is higher than the yield for Flux in Satoshis by enough that it makes me want to switch. So let's go do that. First thing you want to do is create a wallet. We're going to go in on our main screen. These are our HODLbots, and we're going to create a wallet. I'm wanting to get paid out in Bitcoin, so I'm going to have to make a Bitcoin wallet, which I've done here. Just like any other wallet that you want to make, go to add wallet, type whatever you want to get paid out in, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Flux, whatever, and then put in your wallet address, name your wallet, all of this good stuff, save it as a global wallet if you want, and off you go. Then we're going to go into the flight sheets. We're going to do our coin in what we want to get paid out in this case it's Bitcoin. Our wallet, we're going to do the new wallet that we just created. Go to the pool, all the way at the bottom, configure in miner. And then miner, so Ironfish is LOL, or what's the other one, Regal Miner? Anyway, I'm just using LOL Miner, and then we'll go to setup miner config. We're gonna select our algorithm. Even though the coin is gonna say Bitcoin, we're gonna select Ironfish for our algorithm. Where it says wallet and worker template here, back on the Unmineable page, you can see that your wallet address information is right here. Or this is the format that they want you to lay it out within the miner. In our case, because we're doing BTC, we're gonna do BTC at the front and then a colon, then your Bitcoin address dot your worker name. And at the end, if you've got a referral code, that'll save you like 0.25% on the mining fees. If you don't have a referral code, you can use mine. I'll leave it down below. You can also create your own referral code and just refer yourself and save yourself that 0.25%. Let me jump in here to say, if you're liking the video so far, give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel and I appreciate it. But you're gonna lay it out like this. So BTC colon and then wallet.worker name and then pound and your code. There's my code. So we're gonna leave worker name blank. Here under pool server, again, back at Unmineable, we're gonna copy the pool server here. And then our port, depending on where you're at and if you're using SSL or not, 3333 is typically the standard. Password is X, and apply changes. Name the flight sheet whatever you like, and that's it really. Now you just apply the flight sheet to your rigs just like you would anything else. So I think this is pretty cool. I do believe it's almost inevitable that NiceHash is going to be adding the Blake 3 algorithm to its list of mineable algos as well, so that you can get paid out in Bitcoin. And NiceHash has a new service, allows you to get paid out in more than just Bitcoin, Ethereum or Cardano or Flux, or a lot of different coins over there. So check that out as well if that's what you're into. That does help level the playing field because, like I said, traditionally NiceHash has performed better than Unmineable when it comes to payouts. Because Unmineable has this new algorithm, it kind of gives them that leg up over NiceHash right now. Let me know what you think about this. Leave a comment down below. And of course, thanks for watching.